So now in this problem, what we have to do is we're supposed to verify that a plus b minus c, where b minus c is in brackets, is equal to a plus b, which is in bracket, is minus c. So we're supposed to prove that LHS is equal to RHS basically. So what we are given the values of a, b and c, and all three of them are 3 into 3 matrices. Okay, so now they've also asked us to find a plus b and b minus c. So let's first find a plus b. Okay, so now a plus b is as you can see, it's basic addition. What we're doing is we're just adding the first element from the first matrix and the first element from the second matrix together. So that's what we're going to do. Each corresponding element is added to each other. So when we do that, we're going to get the final matrix over here, where the first row has 4, 1 and minus 1, second row has 9, 2 and 7, third row has 3, minus 1 and 4. So that's going to be equal to a plus b. So let's now find the value of b minus c. So again, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to minus the corresponding elements alone. So we substitute the values of b and c from the corresponding matrices, and we're just going to minus it. So on minusing, we're going to get the matrix which has the first row as minus 1, minus 2 and 0, second row is 4, minus 1 and 3, and third row is 1, 2 and 0. So now we have the values of a plus b and b minus c. So what we're going to do now is going to just add a to b minus c. So we know the value of a, which was given initially in the beginning of the question. So the value of a is 1, 2 and minus 3. Second row is 5, 0 and 2, and third row is 1, minus 1 and 1. We're going to add that to the b minus c, which we found earlier. So it's basically addition again. So we're just going to add the corresponding elements. So on adding the corresponding elements, we got the matrix which is has the first row as 0, 0 and minus 3. Second row is 9, minus 1 and 5, and third row is 2, 1 and 1. So now let's find the value of a plus b, which is in bracket, minus c. So we know the value of a plus b, which we found out earlier, and we know the value of c, which is given in the question. So we write both of them down, and we're just going to minus both of them. So on minusing both of them, we get the value as 0, 0 and minus 3 in the first row, and the second row has 9, minus 1 and 5, and the third row has 2, 1 and 1. So as you can see, the LHS is equal to your RHS. So we can say that a plus b minus c is equal to a plus b minus c. The question is proven.